Welcome to Impact Learning Tutorials, and this is a video about blood vessels. So in this video you will be able to understand the three main types of blood vessel that you'll need to know for your exam. The first of which is an artery. So you can see here the key words are underlined and in bold, so if you want to make your own notes, feel free to do so. So arteries have a thick wall with a small lumen, and they carry oxygenated blood away from the heart. And the blood in an artery flows at a very high pressure. So if you have a look at the bottom of the page, you can see a diagram of what an artery would look like, with a thick elastic wall along with a small lumen. The second type of vessel we need to know is a vein, and these carry deoxygenated blood back towards the heart. They have a thin wall with a large lumen because blood is carried at a low pressure. So again, there's a small diagram here which labels the different parts of a vein, with the thin wall, large lumen, and also a valve to stop the blood flowing back from where it's just came from. A capillary, and these allow the diffusion of gases and nutrients from the blood into the body's cells. They have very thin walls, as they are only one cell thick, and a very small lumen, as they let blood flow through one cell at a time. So again, you can see there's a diagram at the bottom of a capillary. Feel free to go back through this video and make the specific key notes for each of the blood cells, as this will come up in an exam. So maybe even draw your own diagrams so you can get a full understanding of each of the blood vessels. We hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to keep up to date with our latest tutorials.